If you have just got a new phone and you are worried about losing your DLS26, don't worry. Today I will show you step by step how to transfer your DLS26 account from your old device to new device safely and easily. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. On your old phone, follow this step. Open DLS26. Go to Settings. Tap Advanced. Tap Manage Device. If you have linked your profile with the max number of devices, remove a device before adding another. Now you tap Generate Code. Now copy the code. Then grab your new device and do this. Open the game. Go to Settings again. Tap Advanced. Tap Link Profile. Then paste the code that was copied earlier from the phone. Sign in with the same account you used before. Boom! Your account, team, coins and progress will be restored. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to transfer your DLS26 account from your old device to new device easily. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.